Hi guys, so I'm going to do another pour painting this evening. It'll be what's called a Dutch pour. I think basically where I'll be using all of the colors. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do a tree ring pour tonight because I've been meaning to do one and I wanted to see what it would look like. I already have my canvas pre-prepped. I'm going to give it a few more moments. Before I get started, I called it 6:15. I know I said 6:10. I got a little bit behind schedule. I had to make a phone call. But I'm going to start at 6:15, so another minute or so. By the way, I do not own the rights to any of this music that we're listening to. It's all Bruno Mars. None of it is me. I'll put that in the specifics later. I'm really excited about doing this pour. Like I said, it's something that I've been wanting to do. It's going to be what's called a double tree ring pour. And the way that I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it so that there's a ring here and a ring here with these colors. I'm really excited about using this brown and this mustard type color. I've been wanting to use those for a really long time, and quite frankly have been petrified to do so. So tonight you guys get to see me do that. All right, it's 6:15. Like I said, I'm gonna get started. Hopefully more people will come in. I cannot respond to you as I'm doing it. Hopefully you guys can see it and enjoy it as I'm trying to make it happen. So we'll get started. I'm gonna do a little bit of this black. This is Mars Black by, what is it, Liquitex? Yeah. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Mars Black over here in this corner. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of it over here in this corner. And then I'm gonna add some of, so I have two pearlescent colors actually. I'm gonna start with the blue on this side and I'll start with the green on the other. So I'll pour this blue down into that black. And I'll pour this pearl green down into this black over here. From that green and that blue, I'm gonna take and add some of my silver. I'll pour it from up high to give it a little bit of movement, hopefully. Then we're gonna go back in with this nice royal blue that I made. I made it with what's called like a Mediterranean blue and some black and what else? Actually, I think those two were it. Mediterranean blue and black. Again, I'm gonna put all of the descriptions of the colors at the end so you guys can go back and see them. I'm gonna add this mustard type color here in the middle and see what that does. Like I said, it's my first time doing it and I'm feeling relatively confident about it. So we're just gonna do what it does and see what happens. I want some of this blue in there. You know I got it going on. Hey, don't judge me. Judge mother. I like growing up. I'm gonna add some of that blue on top of that side there. And I'm gonna add some of this blue over here. And then what I'm going to do here in the center is do a kiss pour right in the middle. Next, I'm gonna add a little white. But when I add this white, I'm gonna take it and move it. So I'm gonna run it like that. I'm gonna take this white, add it in the center, and run it out the sides. Same thing with this one. Add some more of this brown in the middle. Actually, nope, not that one first. This mustard color is going first. Take this. Ow. Okay, add a little little bit of black in the center. So we can keep these colors all together and moving. It's my first time for those of you who just joined us. If anybody new has joined in, it's my first time doing something like this on this scale anyway. This is an 18 by 24 canvas. And from here, I'm just going in with the way it feels. So I use color until I feel like I don't need to use any more color. Hopefully this doesn't all turn to mud. Am I certain that it won't? Absolutely not. But I'm hoping that it doesn't. I appreciate all of you guys that are looking. If you haven't already, go over and like my Art by Jennifer page. It is spelled Jennifer. For those of you who don't know how to spell my name, not many of you don't know how to spell it, but in case you didn't, that is in fact how you spell my name. Thanks, Mom. Alright. I'm gonna add one more ring of brown in this middle part here. I'm gonna throw some white on top of it. And then I'm gonna get this paint moving. Maybe I'll add a little more blue in that. Alright, y'all gonna have to excuse me for a moment because when I start moving it, I probably will get real quiet, but that's just me trying to make sure that it does what it's supposed to do. Or at least what I think it's gonna do, not necessarily what it's supposed to do. Wonderful thing about painting like this is it sort of just does what it wants to do, a lot like me. So it's whatever it is. You can see the rings that are there. You saw the way that I poured it, and now it's just a matter of making it do what it does. I want a little bit of black on this corner over here. So, and I think I want a little bit of brown on this corner over here. You guys, let's make some magic. I'm gonna stand on this side. You should still be able to see me, I think. Alright, so here we go. Let's do this. Brown all over this canvas, so I'm gonna run it accordingly. I like how it's turning so far. Alright, what I'm gonna do is try and get it to go back the other way. Hold on. I like this. Take this blue off my hands as much as I can before I pick it up on this side. Okay. Here, hold that. Useful table. I'll make a mess with it. able to see what we got here. I just want to make sure I get color all over it. Alright. Almost, almost, almost. Look at that. Oh shit. That happens. Alright. Alright, so I love the way it looks. I love the colors in it. I love how bold the colors are in it. I got a few spots that I want to touch up real quick. But so far, I think it looks pretty daggone good. That is that pearl green over there. So let's take some pearl green. Add that right there. There we go. Now, just doing some touch-up spots, you know? Like I want it to be a certain color right there. So, I make it so. Ooh. Ooh. You guys, I think I love it. I think I love it. I'm gonna see if I can get some cell production on it real quick. And then I'll let you guys go. I want you to comment. Let me know what you think of it. Tell me what you think I should have done differently. Tell me if you think I should do anything differently. I want your thoughts. I want your input. Oops. Don't drop that. Alright, so let me see here. My heat gun. Alright. Flip it over. Okay. Don't play with heat guns, kids. Stay hot. You can hurt yourself very badly with it. I just want to pop any little bubbles that I have on top. That's what the heat gun is for. To move it back and forth. Just to make sure everything is what it should be. Dope. Alright, you guys. Well, I'll take pictures of it and post it in this feed later on and let you see what it looks like once it's dried some. I'm going to take it down real quick so you guys can actually look at it and you can tell me what you think. Let's see here. Without turning it off, stand by. Oh shit. It's still here. I got it. Alright. See. Hi everybody that is watching. Hi Ruthie. Hi Monica. Hi Camille. Hi Mama. This is what I've done tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you think I should do anything different, oh look, it's little cells right there. Some looking like it wants to pop up through that little green there. And a few over here. I like how that blue is coming through that brown. I don't know if you guys, there you go. You can see it there. Super pretty. But like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.